Aló, yo soy Luigi Mario y él es Justin Thornton. Nosotros enseñas decimal y hexadecimal para la clase de Computer Science. Tú necesitas un calculador, un lápiz, goma de borrar y papel. Decimal is a numerical system in base 10. Its notation looks like this. Decimal has 10 numbers. You maybe are wondering, Luigi, where's 10? Well, you snotty-nosed kids would count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Some example of decimal numbers are 17, 321, 420. Hexadecimal is a numerical system with 16 symbols. It'd be notated with a 16 right here. Hexadecimal reuses the same 10 symbols in decimal, but adds 6 more. A, B, C, D, E, and F. For example, it will look like this. DAD, C16, 95B4D.
This is a chart to show decimal and hexadecimal together, and this is what it looks like. Now we'll be showing you how to convert from decimal to hexadecimal. The rules for this is you start out with your decimal number and then divide it by 16. Then you round down to your nearest whole number, and then your remainder keep to the side. And then you continue this process of dividing by 16 and putting your remainders to the side until you have 0 more that you can divide by. And then starting from your most recent remainder, you start it from the leftmost and you put it all across, and that's your hexadecimal digit. Let's do this problem step by step together. So it's 5,463 base 10 converted to base 16 hexadecimal. So first you do 5,463 divided by 16, which is 3.41 rounded down with a remainder of 7. And then you bring down the 341, you divide it by 16, that equals 21 with a remainder of 5. Then you bring down the 21. 21 divided by 16 is 1 with the remainder of 5. And then 1 divided by 16 is 0 with the remainder of 1. And then you, starting with the most recent remainder, you start it with 1,557, which is 1,557 base 16. For this problem, I'm going to let you try to solve it for the first few minutes, and then we'll go over it. So to solve this, you really don't have to use the layout, but just to go over your work, 14 divided by 16 is 0 with the remainder of 14, and then 14 is E, so it would be E base 16. Now I'll show you how to convert from hexadecimal to decimal through this problem. So it's C4A. So first you want to do is convert your letters to numbers. So A is 10, C is 12, 4 is still 4, but it's just easier to replace it then on. And then starting from the right, you have to times them all by 16 to a certain power. So starting from the rightmost, it's 16 to the 0 power, then 16 to the first power, 16 to the second power. It gets greater and greater with each placement to the left. And then it's 10 plus 64 plus 3,072, and it equals 3,146 base 10. So let's go over this problem too together. So D7B63. First, transfer the letters into numbers, like D equals 13, 7, 7, B 11, 6, 6, 3, 3, same thing. And then do the write them out, and then times each one by 16, and then raise the power gradually from right to left. So 16, 0, 16, 1, 16, 2, 16, 3, 16, 4, and so on. So add them all together, and your number should be 883,555 base 10. Just like last time, I'm going to give you a few seconds to work it out yourself. So you should have gotten 15 base 10, but you really didn't have to do all that, but it's better to show your work and see if you got it right.
In these 5 minutes, we learned decimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, hexadecimal 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. How to convert from decimal to hexadecimal and vice versa.
Thank you for listening, and I hope you learned how to convert from decimal to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to decimal. Have a good day.